Hello bachcho, let us read the question. Statement 1. A ballet dancer folds her arms and legs to decrease her moment of inertia. Statement 2. Moment of inertia of a uniform solid sphere is 2 by 5 mr squared. Option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option B. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Option D. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है conservation of angular momentum. Conservation of angular momentum. So, for a rotating body, the angular momentum and the moment of inertia are given by the equation L is equal to I omega, where L is angular momentum, I है moment of inertia of the body for a given axis of rotation, and omega is the angular velocity. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम स्टेटमेंट 1 और स्टेटमेंट 2 दोनों को एनालाइज करेंगे. If the moment of inertia and angular momentum are given as L is equal to I omega for L constant, then I is inversely proportional to omega. मतलब the moment of inertia is inversely proportional to the angular velocity for constant angular momentum. So, moment of inertia has the general equation as r squared integral r squared dm. So, इस equation से हमें पता चलता है कि the moment of inertia depends on the distance of the point from the axis of rotation as well as the mass distribution. तो जब एक ballet dancer अपने arms और legs को fold करते हैं, so thereby they are essentially decreasing r, and therefore the moment of inertia decreases. In the process, their angular velocity will increase and therefore they are able to spin. डांस करते वक्त वो स्पिन कर सकते हैं. So this ensures that the angular momentum remains a constant. So therefore, a ballet dancer will fold her arms and legs so that she will actually uh, decrease her moment of inertia and thereby increase her angular velocity, maintaining the angular momentum as a constant. तो इस general equation of moment of inertia से for a sphere we can calculate the moment of inertia as I is equal to 2 by 5 mr squared, where m is the mass of the sphere and r is the radius of the sphere. और क्योंकि sphere को एक radial symmetry होता है, it does not matter along which diameter the axis is. So the sphere will have the moment of inertia given by 2 by 5 mr squared. So now हम question पे जाके correct option को mark करेंगे. Statement 1. A ballet dancer folds her arms and legs to decrease her moment of inertia, which is correct. Statement 2. Moment of inertia of a uniform solid sphere is 2 by 5 mr squared. ये भी सही है. So the correct answer to this question is option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.